Today I'm going to show you how I keep my yarn nice and organized on its shelf. The secret is a yarn winder. So after putting together my yarn winder, I'm going to show you how to use it. You take your skein of yarn and find the end of the yarn, so the tail where you take it and work on your project. You're going to make a knot with it so it doesn't come off the yarn winder, and I slip it onto the top of my yarn winder first, so in between those two little notches, and the knot is to keep it on there. Next, you wrap it around so it's inside the little metal loop. Then you can start winding, and you just keep going until you are out of yarn on your skein. So once you're out of yarn, you're just going to let it come through the rest of the way. And then I like to wrap it around the cake while I still have some left and tuck it behind a couple strands of yarn. Then you slip the middle part out where you attached it to the notches and slip it off. And there is your finished cake, yarn cake. It's all finished and it will sit nice and neat on your shelf. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.